In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Butler automation feature in Trello to automatically archive completed cards. This is a powerful way to keep your boards clean and organized without having to manually archive cards every time a task is finished. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working automation rule that instantly removes completed cards from your board. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where you want to create the automation. In this example, we're using a board called Remote Team, but you can use any board you like. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top right area and click on Rules under the Butler Automation section. This is where all your automation rules are managed. After opening the Rules panel, click on Create Automation. This will allow you to build a custom rule from scratch. Trello's Butler automation works by setting a trigger and then defining an action. So first, we need to tell Trello what event should trigger the automation. Click on plus Add Trigger. You'll see several trigger categories appear. Choose Card Changes, because we want this automation to run when something changes on a card. Now look for the option that says When the card is marked as complete by me. Select that trigger and click the plus icon to add it to your rule. This means anytime you mark a card as complete, Butler will respond. Now that the trigger is set, we need to define the action. Scroll through the available actions and find the option that says Archive the card. Click on it. Then click the plus icon to add it to your rule. What we've just created is a simple but powerful workflow. When a card is marked complete, archive the card automatically. Once both the trigger and the action are added, click Save. Your rule is now created. Back in the Rules panel, you'll see your new automation listed. Notice the toggle switch next to it. This toggle allows you to enable or disable the rule at any time. Make sure the toggle is turned on so the automation is active. If you ever want to pause it, you can simply switch it off. Now let's test it to make sure everything works correctly. Close the automation panel and return to your board view. Choose any list on your board and click Add a Card. Type in a name for your test card, for example, Weekend Meetup, and click Add Card. Now open the card and mark it as complete. As soon as you do that, Butler will automatically trigger the rule we created. The card will instantly be archived and disappear from the list. There's no need to manually archive it. The automation handles everything in the background. And that's how you use the Butler automation feature in Trello to automatically archive completed cards. This small workflow can save you time, reduce clutter, and keep your board focused only on active tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello automation guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.